When you are withdrawing your EPF amount online on UN member portal, you will see an option called Upload Form 15G. Is this Form 15G mandatory for every EPF member? No, Form 15G is required only when your PF amount is above 50,000 rupees but your total service is below 5 years. Otherwise, you don't need to submit Form 15G. For example, if your PF amount is below 50,000 rupees, you don't need to submit Form 15G, irrespective of the total service. Similarly, if your service is above 5 years, in that case, even though the PF amount is above 50,000 rupees, you don't need to submit Form 15G. You have to submit Form 15G only when the PF amount is above 50,000 rupees, but the total service is below 5 years. What is Form 15G? Form 15G will look like this. It has two parts, part 1 and part 2. EPF member needs to fill only part 1. There is no need to fill the part 2. After filling this form, you have to upload the scanned copies. Form 15G is a self-declaration form to avoid TDS when your total income in a year is less than 2.5 lakhs. If your net taxable income is above 2.5 lakhs in a financial year, you are not eligible to submit Form 15G. You are eligible to submit Form 15G only when your total taxable income is less than 2.5 lakhs. If the amount exceeds this 2.5 lakhs, then it is better to transfer your EPF amount to new company whenever you join, or you can withdraw EPF advance amount in case of any emergencies. What if you don't submit Form 15G? In most cases, EPF will reject your EPF claim and they will ask you to submit the Form 15G with a new EPF claim. In some cases, they will deduct 34% TDS from your EPF withdrawal amount. So in order to avoid TDS, it is better to submit Form 15G if you are eligible. And remember, Form 15G is required only for PF withdrawal. For pension amount, you don't need to submit Form 15G. It is required only for the EPF amount.